Did you know that your content should show your personality? Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of showing your personality in your content. So, no matter what business you're in, it's important that your business, everything that touches your business, show your personality, because your personality is the first thing that people notice about you. Everything that you do in your business should help you showcase not only your products and service, but also your your brand's personality, your brand story, and your brand's voice. So today, especially today, with all the millions and billions of people creating online businesses as coaches, as consultants, as influencers, or just content creators, no longer is it enough just to provide high quality products and services. It's important that you show your personality. And I'm going to give you a few of the benefits. So, one of the biggest benefits of showcasing your personality in your content is it allows you to build trust, okay, and credibility to with your audience. When people feel that they know you and understand who you are, um, or people are able to go behind the business, they're likely to be confident in your ability to deliver solutions to with your products and services. And that requires a strong personality. It'll help differentiate, and that's the second one. Showing your personality allows you to stand out. Um, with businesses that offer the same or similar products and services that you do. Remember, you're talking to your ideal audience, and to do that, you must use the language that they speak in. Third, another reason to showcase your personality is to attract your ideal customer. By being authentic and true to yourself, you're naturally attract people with the same values, interests, or if you show humor, same sense of humor. This leads to more engagement. It creates loyal customers. Remember, one of your goals in converting leads is you want to build awareness, build interest, build desire, so that people can take actionable steps toward purchasing your products and services. In short, showcasing your unique personality in your online content can help you build a strong brand, connect to your audience, ultimately grow your business. So never be afraid to show your true self. And that is adding your personality to your online presence.